You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this word, the correct pronunciation, and clarify how it is to be pronounced in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this, including from Latin, stay tuned in. And medical terms, two different ways of pronouncing it. It's generally in English it's pronounced as Synechiae, Synechiae, all right? It can also be said as Synechiae, also Synechiae or Synechiae. So you have different ways of pronouncing it. Essentially, the second syllable can be either a ne or a ni, and the last syllable either an ei or e, all right? So Synechiae, Synechiae, and all the different variations. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.